In this video, we're going to explore the other outline property. So basically what we used in the previous video was the shorthand. And what we want to do now is we want to be more elaborate by specifying them individually here, and then you will see some other tricks that you can use. So for example, you want to break this down here. What we could do is the following. We can say here outline style. And with the outline style, we're going to indicate here, instead of dotted, we want a solid line. So what will happen here is basically, because specificity is very important in CSS. Right now, outline is not that specific compared to outline style. So this would mean that the dotted area will be overruled by the solid outline style property or declaration. So let's save this. Then we refresh this, and you can see here now we get a solid line. And that's one of them. But maybe you say, well, this is still quite hard to spot. So all right. There's another item that we can use, which is outline color. So we say outline color, and here we're going to put in a specific color. So right now we have a green color, but let's overrule this with making it a red color. And if we save this now, what will happen is the outline shorthand will be ignored because this part will be used, or at least specifically the value here. So we save this here, and then we refresh, and you can see now it becomes red, even though we indicated here green. Specificities plays a role in here. The more specific, the more priority it gets, or the more important it is. So it will get a priority. And there you are. And the final one is, of course, the outline width. With the width property, or the outline width property, you can increase or decrease the size here. And of course, there are a few options. For example, you could say here 3 pixels. Let's save here, or let's make this now 10 pixels. There you are. But maybe you can also do, or basically maybe you want to do it differently. What you have here is like a thin option. What happens then is that it will become a 1 pixel in size. And then you have also a medium, where you can indicate the 3 pixels, or you want it thick. We save that, and then it becomes here, I'm not sure exactly how much, it's probably 5 pixels if I'm not mistaken. So let's check 5 pixels. Save that. Yes, exactly, that's 5 pixels. So this is how you can play around with it if you don't want to put in a value here, but just use a command like this, the thick option. There you are, you can get these, and this is quite useful as well. So basically, you can use it in 2 ways. In this way, where you have we have them specified specifically per individual property, or put them all together in the outline here. So basically, this would be here dotted. This would be medium if it's 3 pixels, and finally here would be green. If we save this and then unhide this, save that, refresh, there you are. So you can see here now it becomes dotted, green, medium, exactly similar to what we have indicated in the shorthand outline. And this is the way how you can be more specific with your outline declarations. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.